Hi, it's Yuto from StuttyRecipes.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make cafe-style Okinawan taco rice. So, the question is, what is taco rice? Is it some sort of tacos and rice? Or is it octopus and rice? Yes, taco means octopus in Japanese, but this dish does not contain any octopus. I'm sorry for anyone who expects a dish with octopus though. When I was a kid, I saw taco rice on some TV drama and I thought, why does it not have octopus? Now it's obvious that taco does not mean octopus here. This taco refers to Mexican tacos. Okay, let's look at the ingredients first. 300 grams of cooked white rice, 150 grams of minced beef, preferably lean meat, 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, 3 leaves of lettuce of your choice, 1 medium tomato, half avocado, 1 garlic clove, half white onion, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon of any chili sauce you like, 1 tablespoon of grated cheese, 4 tortilla chips, 1 teaspoon of mayonnaise. And for seasoning the mince, I use 1 tablespoon of sake, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Okay, first we need to cook the rice with your preferred method. Using rice cooker is definitely easier and fail-free method, but you can cook rice in a pan as well. For those who want to cook rice in a pan, I've got a how-to video already on this channel, so please check it out in the description below. Add 1 cubed medium-sized tomato to a small bowl and mix with 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 1/4 teaspoon of your favorite chili sauce. Then set aside for later. Heat the pan on medium-high and add about 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. Add finely diced onion and garlic to the pan and cook until the onion becomes see-through. While we wait for them to be done, let's talk a bit about the origin of taco rice. It's believed that taco rice was born in Okinawa Prefecture in 1984, combining Mexican-American style tacos and Japanese ingredients. Apparently now it's popular enough to be used for school lunch in Okinawa. Then it travelled to other parts of Japan and has become a stylish lunchy cafe-like dish. I like how vibrant the dish is. No wonder many stylish cafes serve taco rice these days. When the onion and garlic are cooked through, add 150 grams of minced beef to the pan and fry until it's cooked through. Unfortunately, I couldn't get any this time or didn't make mince myself, but for this dish, lean mince works better in my opinion. Once the meat is cooked through, add 1 tablespoon of sake, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, one teaspoon of chili powder and mix. Now cook until the sauce is reduced. Once the sauce is reduced, the mince is done. It's time for assembling. Arrange the lettuce around the edge of the plate, leaving the middle empty. Then add the cooked rice to the middle of the plate. Put between thirds or half of the mince mix on top. The amount depends on if you're making 2 or 3 servings. Decorate the top of the mince and lettuce with seasoned tomato and diced avocados. Sprinkle with grated cheese and crushed tortilla chips. And finally, drizzle with mayo and serve. That's it for this recipe. I hope you enjoyed the video. We have a written version of this recipe on our website. If you're interested, the link is in the description below. Thank you for watching today's video. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.